you hear Julie Ziegler Norman today?
Yes, sir, I did.
What did you think?
I thought she was phenomenal.
Have you ever heard her before?
I have not had the opportunity to hear her before. Those are big shoes to fill, and she has no problem doing that.
What do you like best about what you said today?
What I like best is real. She's very real. She's transparent. Puts on no airs. Gets right to the point. Very, 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 very touchable.
Nice to meet you. Did you have a chance to hear Julie Ziegler Norman today?
Awesome. I've had the pleasure of hearing Zig speak several times when I was a Curves franchisee in Las Vegas. He was our keynote speaker many years, and I've always gotten so much out of his presentation.
Yeah.
And I thought Julie was not only motivational, but she was also very entertaining, and I got a lot of really good full belly laughs out of what she was saying. So, and I love it whenever I'm reminded about if you want everything for yourself, you just have to figure out a way to help more people find everything for themselves.
Okay.
And she really touched my heart today. She struck a chord and made me tear up a little bit, and just talking about it makes me a little sad right now.
What story did you like the best?
Wow. See, that's not fair, because I liked a lot of stories that she shared.
Could you tell me what you thought?
I thought that she was exceptional. She made the hair stand on my arm, and I am telling you, from the moment she started speaking to that last thing that she said, I was right there with her at every moment. I especially liked she brought out her chipmunk. Her stories just really inspired me.